Are you here? Talk to us.
I'm walking around.
La verga. Walking around like.
Yeah, but remember they said that she was walking around in the cemetery? Are you here? Can you talk to us? Was that you making that noise? Letting them know you're here? I'd rather you come over here next to us. See that device? You hear the knocking?
Ava.
That's creepy, guys. Is that you? Dude, did he just move? What? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Green Hornet Squad. I'm Fernando.
And I'm Jose.
And today we're going to explore Old Hill Cemetery. This cemetery is one of the 10 most haunted places in Wisconsin. The legend goes that there's a woman here walking at night in white and with a flashlight. And people get confused, right, Jose?
Yeah, they get confused that she's like part of the statues in the cemetery.
So people think that like sometimes they see her and then it becomes like a statue or something like that. Sorry, guys, but we're hearing like a lot of scream down over there, and we don't know if it's a bird. I think it's a bird. At first we thought it was a person, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we're gonna get into it right now. But don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and leave your comments, because that helps a lot, guys. Sorry, I'm always burping in the intros, bro. Sorry, guys. I'll see you in a little bit. All right, bye.
Bye.
All right, guys. So we're gonna start our investigation. We're here already. We keep hearing like down over there a freaking something like a freaking creepy. Hopefully you guys hear it right now, or hopefully you hear it in our intro.
You know what's funny? We don't hear it anymore.
Once we start recording, right?
Right when we start recording.
Yes.
If I get attacked by that bird, I'm smacking him with the flashlight.
Yeah. Freaking damn birds.
Dude, we're going uphill, right?
Yeah.
No wonder my legs are feeling weird going uphill.
So we drove in here inside the cemetery, guys, and so there's like another 3 cemeteries here too. So this one is pretty big.
Yeah, this is Oak Hill Cemetery.
Yeah.
Over here, you know. There's two separate cemeteries here.
Hold on.
Now it's over there.
Yeah.
You got your knife, right?
Yeah.
Let me bring my gun, dude.
I know.
Why
You suck, man. You didn't bring it.
Oh, that's a birdhouse.
Yeah, but that's not the thing doing that song.
I don't know, dude. What?
No, just
You-
like
you
I heard
behind
something.
you?
Yeah, I thought we heard something.
The cemetery is creepy, dude.
Yeah, it is.
It's just since it's in a hill, you can't tell.
See?
You'd be like,
And down over here, guys, when I was driving, I saw some statues and I got confused and I thought it was like people. Dude, that's freaking creepy. Right?
hey, what does that X mean on the tree? It's a coyote or something.
No, it's not a coyote.
Well, I can't tell what it is, man.
Dude, it's gotta be a bird.
Hell no.
It's gotta be a bird, bro.
That's one.
It's that creepy ass sound, dude.
Not even. That's gotta be one crack-headed bird.
Don't worry, guys. We're gonna go over there in a bit. But first, I want to see down over here. But dude, maybe it's one of those big ass birds. Remember those birds how that they eat meat?
Hell no, don't say that. Dude, they could mess us up, bro.
Really?
They're huge. They're big. But they're not small. Dude. The bird was over there. Whatever the hell that was over there. Now it's here?
Yeah, it's kids moving, dude. I don't know if it's the light or something.
You don't think it would have came?
Lay down right there.
Where?
Right there. No, more. Here, right there. I thought I saw something, bro, there. What's that? Jose, what's that sound?
That's a bat. Bro, get over here.
What?
Just come over here, dude.
I hear like a whisper.
It's right here. Cabrón, I've never seen bats in my life.
Nah, it can't be bad. It's cold. The guys, it's cold today, like super cold.
I'm about to go insane, bro.
Dude, what was it like right now? Like 30s?
Oh,
What?
statue confused
Oh,
me.
see, he told you. Look, and behind it looked like a shadow. Look.
Yeah, dude, look.
Really? See? Hold on. Let me light it up. See if the people can see that. See that statue, guys? Look. Behind it, when you reflect, it looks like a shadow. Hello? Hello?
No?
Let's see if that bird starts getting closer by us, bro. So when I was driving, doing the turning around, these statues scared me because they look like persons.
And it's mostly this one right here, dude. Right? You look like a person?
Yeah, that one looked like a freaking person, bro.
Yeah. These are broken. I'm gonna turn off my flashlight here because there's houses across.
Okay. Lady? Lady in white.
That's creepy.
What?
Hearing like voices over here on this side.
Oh, when we were by that tree, dude, that's why I told you to stop because I can't hear like a whisper, like someone whispering, like pss, 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 like talking, way. That's why I told you to stop, and you said it was a freaking bat, and I knew it was not a bat. But you said, oh, it's a bat, it's a bat.
It's funny like this. You know how bats sound when they do?
Well, I don't know how bat sounds, bro, but
Well, I never seen a bat in my life.
I've seen bats before.
I never did. Especially here.
Damn, guys, it's cold today. Lady?
Look at me. Turn it off. I'm looking behind this. Just in case. You know, outdoor statue that looks like it.
Yeah. Yeah, that one did it better. 'Cause it was like glowing.
Yeah, that one was better because it was more round.
Yeah.
Let's go somewhere around more.
No, I thought her like someone like dropped something.
No,
This
this
way.
one's right there with the lights on.
Okay, guys, so I don't know you guys see down over there, but yeah, there's a house. But yeah, maybe we should go this way.
This one.
All right, guys, we're gonna go this way.
Yeah, I think this would be better.
Yeah.
Oh, the cops can't come.
Yeah.
Another house around here?
No. And right now we're gonna go this way, guys, and then we're gonna start crossing through the tombs. See if we hear something. You got cold? Here, hold this. Hold on. Hold this.
What?
I gotta. My pants are falling, bro.
Oh.
That's why. Can't even walk. It's cold today,
You know
guys.
what?
What?
It's just that noise is annoying when I'm walking.
Dude, imagine I come here by myself, do this. Hell no.
I think I'll shit
I
myself.
will not do that, bro.
I think I would literally shit myself. I think you came by yourself once.
Yeah.
In Milwaukee, in the cemetery.
Yeah, I seen adverts. Like, hell no, not anymore.
Yeah, you were like, oh hell no.
Oh, when that lady, I heard like a scream. It's like, hell no. What, bro?
I'm here like either footsteps or like.
Alright, let's start crossing through here, bro. Hello? Dude, like, look, this isn't even it's icy, dude, the grass. You see it? Look, you don't see it?
Here?
Yeah, it looks icy. Looks white. That's how you know it's cold, bro. Alright, guys. I heard it. Alright, let's keep going. Sorry, guys, we heard some people like talking from behind. There's like houses from behind. We're just gonna. Hold on.
What's up?
I don't think they can see us.
Oh, that's right. If we're gonna get closer, we just leave.
Yeah. I don't know. It sounds like it's getting close. I can tell. But once they start hearing that screaming, I don't think they're gonna come over here. Dude, that's creepy. Hello? Anybody here? Alright guys, we're gonna go towards for that sound. But should we do like a spirit talker here, bro? With the music box?
We should be good, right?
Yeah, we should be good. Take out the spirit talk, the music box, bro. Take both of them. Put one over here and one over there. I'll put the music box over there, and you put the one over there. Hold on, Jose. Hold on. What, is it dead? Don't tell me that the battery's dead.
Where do you want the other one?
Oh no, it's working.
Where do you want the other one?
Oh no, it's working.
Where do you want the other one?
What's that? There's people. No. No, the other side. No, down over there. No. No. Hear it?
Coyotes.
Is that a coyote?
I don't know.
No. I thought first it was someone crying. Maybe you're right, maybe it is a coyote. Maybe that's why people think this thing is haunted, bro. Don't light up, don't light up. If they're gonna see you, put the other one over there. All right, lady in white, are you here? I want to speak to you. I'm gonna open the spirit talker. If you come forward towards me, you see this? Or let me know that you're here with us, especially if you come next to that box or this one over here. Or let me know you're here with us. Or any spirit that wants to talk to us is welcome to talk to us. Anybody. Okay, I'm gonna open the door. Okay, guys. We'll say, hold this. Hold that for so I can see. Keep it on, no, show it. Stay right there.
You want to go?
Are you here? Lady in white. Damn, dude, that's freaking eerie.
And then hearing it every time. Oh, this is different.
They updated it. Are you here? Can you talk to us? Oh, dude, you heard that?
Concentrate.
Okay. I'm gonna focus and concentrate to talking to you. Was that you making that noise? Letting them know you're here? I'd rather you come over here next to us. See that device?
My voice is heard.
Her voice was heard.
I hear a freaking bird crying. I don't think that's you.
She said concentrate. What do you think she means?
I don't know, like focus or something.
Like
Trying to
focus
talk
on
to
your
her.
energy, basically?
Yeah.
Okay. I can do that.
You can use our light. Or make some noise or some voice that we can hear, that you're here. Don't be scared. We don't mean you no harm. We just want to know why you're walking the cemetery at night. Are you in pain? Something bad happened to you? Or any other spirit that would like to talk to us? Maybe that story is not real. It's not true.
Violate.
Violated?
Violate what?
No, I said violated.
No, it says violate.
Violate? What does that mean?
Violate? You don't know what violate means?
I kind of, I'm not sure.
It's kind of like the same as violated, but different meaning. Like, they violate this, violate that.
So something bad happened to you then?
Technically, that's what she means.
Someone did harm to you? That's why your spirit roams around this cemetery?
I'm walking around.
Dude,
La verga.
dude, walking around?
Walking around like,
Yeah, well, remember they said that she walks around in this cemetery?
yeah, but
So she's telling us she does walk around the cemetery.
do you have a flashlight on you?
They say it's a flashlight or a lamp.
Or a
And
lamp?
she's in white.
That's crazy. She's walking
You
around.
think we can see you? Even if you're from far away. That will let us know that you know that you do exist and that what you're saying to us is really you talking to us.
Or trigger one of our devices. One is in front of us and one is behind us.
See, if you come to this one, see, look. Oh, let us know that you're here.
I threw something.
She threw something.
What are you through?
Okay, let's be a little more quiet. So,
And you threw that bird?
okay, throw whatever you're gonna throw. We're gonna be quiet.
No, she said I threw something as in it's already been thrown.
I know, but let's see if she does it again.
Where is my body?
What body?
We don't know.
We
I
don't
mean,
know.
that's why we were talking to you. Maybe tell us. Maybe we can help you. I mean, we'll do our best. I mean, we'll do our best. I mean, we'll do our best. I mean, we'll do our best.
Something's walking around here. You can hear that? I can hear that noise. Same.
Like something like, when like they're dropping something or throwing something.
Yeah.
Like that.
John.
There's no way.
Who's John? Is that the person that did harm to you? That hurt you? Or is someone that you miss? That you want to send a message to him? Or is just another spirit that wants to talk to us? His name is John. Is that what it is? What is that, bro? You hear that? What was that? You heard that knocking? What is that, bro? You hear that? What was that? You heard that knocking? What is that, bro? You hear that? What was that? You heard that knocking? What is that, bro? You hear that? What was that? You heard that knocking? Where? You hear that knocking?
Ava.
See? Told you. See? Told you. See? Told you. See? Told you.
She threw something.
See, I told you.
Was
Is
you?
that your name, Eva? See, I told you, bro. I told you I was hearing something. I told you I was hearing something, like someone throwing something.
Do you throw something across from us just now?
Do you want us to go where that bird is screaming?
10.
10. I mean 10.
What do you mean 10?
Why, you doing a countdown? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't hear nothing. That freaking bird is creeping me.
Castle.
There's no castles here in United States.
Back in the days, you never know.
No, dude, there's none of that stuff here.
No?
No.
You know how long ago was that, bro?
Are you an ancestor that comes from Europe or something? Alright, I'm gonna give you one more chance. Make a loud noise. Or come in my device right there.
Windy.
Or this one.
It is windy. It's chilly too.
That's my.
Yeah.
Sorry. Alright. That's it. I'm closing the door. I'm gonna close the door. This is goodbye.
This is goodbye here.
Goodbye. Let me pick up the boxes, Jose. Alright, guys. That was strange.
Dude, that scared me.
Dude, what she said,
I know, she threw something here. I wonder if we go over
like, we were hearing like noises over there. Like someone really was throwing something. And then what a coincidence that the spirit talker said she's walking around here. Alright, guys. We're gonna go follow that noise. Hopefully whatever it is it doesn't freak us out, man, or scares us, or whatever that thing is making that sound. Okay? I'm pretty sure it's a freaking bird, some type of something like that.
Not a freaking coyote or some shit. Then we're gonna have to fight coyotes for real.
Yeah. Alright, guys, we're going towards the noise. Hello?
It's straight ahead.
Are you here? Talk to us.
I think it's gonna be around here. The hell? These walnuts? Avocados?
Oh, getting louder. You gotta be careful, dude, because this is a freaking one of those vultures, you say?
Yeah.
Do we have vultures here?
Yeah, we have vultures here, dude. Where I work, there's vultures.
Because, man, that freaking thing is loud, bro. Hello?
They're huge, bro. They eat.
Anybody talk to us? Is welcome to talk to us. Just not to touch me or Jose. You have no permission for that. Dude, you see that? Jose?
I know that bat.
Dude, what is that? What is that? Oh, dude.
That statue confused
Dude, look like
me
a
too.
woman, bro. That's what they said, dude. That when you look, the statue look like a woman. Light it up, not just so people can see it. See, I don't know if you guys can see all the way over there, guys.
The statue confused me too when I seen it.
It looked like a woman, like standing there. Dude.
I know, I looked at it too. I was like, yo, please tell me that's not her. Bro.
You got really scared, huh? Let's go this way, Jose. By the bigger tombs. What the hell is that, bro? Dude, you gotta be careful he doesn't jump at us.
It was too deep in. I just went dump off.
Oh, I know. Hello? This has gotta be a bird. It sounds like it's in a tree. Hello?
Oh?
Do we hear that? Ooh, it's getting closer.
It's louder.
Hello? Are you here, birdie? Are you a bird? Light up the tree, bro. Oh, dude, that's creepy, bro.
Something's hurt.
Light up, bro, the floor.
That's what I'm doing. It's not on the floor.
It is in the tree, right? Light up the tree. I don't see it.
Just wait till I hear the noise. Okay.
Sure. Look at the floor, bro.
It sounds up, bro. See, it sounds up.
Yeah. Dude, did he just move?
No.
What? 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 What?
Oh,
What?
where is that thing? It's around here.
What, you saw it?
You can hear it close.
Dude, that's creepy, bro.
What is that thing?
I want to see what it is, too. Get close, Jose. You got the one with the big light.
That's what I'm looking around for.
We'll go more in the tree. It's
Hey,
like in this.
yo.
What?
Is it here?
See? Can't see, bro. I feel like it's in the pine tree.
I feel like it too.
It moved.
Sure.
Light up, bro. I can't see.
I am.
I don't know. Whatever it is, I can't see it. And it just stopped. Oh, it is somewhere here, Jose. Dude, it's gotta be a bird. Let's go.
Pero algo grande.
But is to make that loud noise, man, dude, it's loud. You can hear all the way over there by the truck. And if it was a big ass bird, I can't even see it. Let me see. Get more closer, Jose. Get more closer, Jose. Get more closer, Jose. Get more closer, Jose. Dude, it looks like it keeps moving, Jose. Light up in the tree, Jose. What is that over there? Is that a nest? Yeah, right there. Here, give it to me. It's gotta be way up, dude. All right, guys, let's go before something falls on top of us.
Falls on top of us, starts messing with us.
That, see, it keeps moving, bro.
Yeah,
That's weird, bro. At least we came towards the sound, guys. Hello? Lady in white.
Well, at least he's there.
That's creepy, guys. That's creepy, guys. That's creepy, guys. That's creepy, guys. Is that you? Freaking bird. Hello? We're looking for that lady that walks to the cemetery. Are you here? Are you a lost spirit? What?
No,
Oh, yeah, I know.
it's cold.
Right now I don't even feel cold, bro. Light up all the way over there, Jose. There's like a little hill, right? Want to go over there?
You already know.
Dude, guys, when we heard that all the way over there, like, what the hell is that? He's like, Jose. He was like, it's a person. It's a person. No, dude, that sounds like a freaking bird. But man, it's eerie.
Dude, that's gotta be a big bird or something like that.
Yeah, and for you not to be able to see it. Light up over there. I just want to see how it looks.
Oh, like.
Damn, guys, this cemetery is huge. Hello? You see? Are you having it in the low setting? No, you do have it in the high. See how that's cool, guys. Alright, let's go back. I don't like this part. This part is different. The other one has like bigger tombs. So we walk down and then go this way.
Yeah. I would put my hoodie, but I don't like the noises it makes.
Let's go through the cemetery, bro. It seems like something this way. I heard like something moving. No, behind us. When you ran, it went like, like I thought that bush was moving. You know how when they moved the bush?
Yeah.
This one, I thought someone moved it. It seems like something this way. It seems like something this way. It seems like something this way. I heard like something moving. No, behind us. When you ran, it went like I thought that bush was moving. You know how when they moved the bush?
Yeah.
This one, I thought someone moved it. Jose, what's that? You hear that?
Yeah.
Is that you?
Damn, dude, your cough made this.
No, echo. No. Oh no. I think it's an animal, bro. I think it's an animal. Dude, there's like creepy sounds here. I think that's another freaking bird, bro. No, but dude, when you ran, like something like.
Hey, is both your hands cold?
Yeah.
Only my right hand's cold.
Mine's are both cold, bro, because I got the camera.
No, my right hand's cold.
We need to.
Left is hot.
Huh?
My left hand is hot.
Let's see.
I feel this.
Oh, yeah. You sure you didn't have your hand in the pocket?
No. I've been like this the whole time.
No, my hand.
Whole time.
No, my hands.
Whole time.
No, my hands.
Whole time.
No, my hands are freaking freezing, bro.
My hands are freezing on the right.
Because I gotta hold the camera with both hands.
Holding my hand? Probably.
You never know, bro.
I wouldn't want that now.
Well, we told her she can't touch us or nothing like that. Hello? Any spirit that wants to talk to us, let us know that you're here. Dude, that bird moved.
Yeah, it's around here now.
Or we came from here. Because I don't remember.
The bird was over there.
Where?
Over there. Bro, it moved.
That thing moved, right?
That moved.
Dude.
Where the hell is it now?
Is the time over there? So I sure we were not here? No, I think we were, Jose. Yeah, because we were over there. Yeah, we were here, Jose. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're getting confused, bro. Let's go through here. Alright, guys. Hello? Huh? Oh, yeah. Well, depends. Sometimes if they bury someone, they'll have the hole and usually they'll put boards on it so people won't fall. Oh. Freaking damn bird, bro. It's creepy as hell. Dude, I feel like it's moving.
I feel like it's following.
Shut up, dumb bird. Imagine there's not a real bird and there's someone else doing that sound.
You know what's funny?
What?
We got leaves all around us. So any step people take.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it just blocked.
Oh, there's a hole.
You see that freaking statue? See, they look like it's a person, bro. And I think that's why they say that people get confused.
Look at the shadow.
Yeah, see? It creates that back shadow on it.
Oh yeah. I think there's some.
No, I think they're just fixing the road, Jose.
Oh, it's another walkway.
Yeah, let's go this way. Alright, guys. Hello? Come on, make some noise.
Come on.
Scare us.
Where's the bird now?
Yeah, it's all the way over there. Now you can hear this far.
Yeah, but we heard it from your car.
Yeah.
Oh, and now it's far.
Come out.
Oh, I got scared, dude.
Why?
Look at that stone, the reflection.
Oh.
You think somebody was turning a flashlight?
Hey. What's that noise? Is that you or something?
What noise?
Like a metal. See?
It's probably me.
Sure.
I have no idea.
It's not yourself. It's not yourself. It's not yourself. It's not your cell phone with that annoying thing, is it?
Try this.
No. Sounds like metal to metal.
No.
Hello? We're gonna leave. Do something. Prove me wrong. Maybe I think it's fake. Maybe you're not real.
Or maybe you just got confused by statues. Most of them.
Maybe people think like that statue, like right there, they look like persons
They do. They do.
from far away. And then they get confused and they get spooked.
No advertising.
I mean, so far the only thing we heard is little noises and that creepy ass bird. But the bird ain't got nothing to do with you.
Even the bird's creepier.
I think the bird's more creepier than you.
Was there like a creepy here before?
No, that's where the water runs, bro.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was looking at.
Yeah, so it goes all the way over there. Last chance. About to leave. I think the bird beat you. He did a better job. He scared us more.
For real, I think I got scared more at the third.
Right?
From the first start coming here. I'm like, I'm already hearing shit.
Yeah, the bird scared us more, bro. I don't know.
I don't know, we're walking back. We're walking back. We're walking back. We're walking back.
Yeah, we're almost getting close to our car. I'm gonna go through the cemetery right here one more time before we get to our car. But you need to do something.
Yeah, stop coming walking around here. You say you're walking around, right?
But show yourself. I mean, yeah, you might scare us. We might run. And we might not. This all depends because we never seen an operation. Did I say that? Did I say it right? Yeah.
I think so. Oh.
What?
Dude, these statues are confusing.
Right? They look like people. I tell you.
People. That's why when I looked, I was like, dude, is that a statue?
Come on.
Come on.
Dude, I feel like out of breath for some reason.
My chest feels warm.
I mean, like breathing. Sorry, guys, if my breathing came on the camera. But man, for some reason I feel out of breath on this place. It's also because it's cold too. Come on. Show yourself. Double dare you to come out. Triple dare you. What you gotta say to her, Jose? Make her, convince her to come out.
Man, I quadruple dare you. You know what? I'm right here holding my K2 meter. I want to see this light. I'm over here concentrating so hard. And I got nothing out of this.
Oh, look. Dude, you see that?
I'm over here concentrating so hard. Get me something.
Whoa,
I know
bro.
you here.
Dude, that thing is lighting up. Are you here?
I'm concentrating the hardest I can.
Dude, maybe she is next to you, bro, holding your hand.
You putting my hand? Let me see.
Are you holding Jose's hand? Light up that to red. Put it up, dude. Put it up. Light it up to red. Let me see.
I'm concentrating as hard as I can right now. I know you're here.
Dude, I just did it right now.
Were you holding my hand? Because why my right hand feels cold and my left hand feels warm? Are you my nanny? Come on.
All right, let's go, Jose. She left. Yeah, something was here, bro. Something was there. Seriously, something was there.
Oh. She's close.
Yeah, it's spiking.
I'm concentrating really hard right now.
I want you to show yourself.
Like, oh, what the hell?
Hold on, I'm not recording it, Jose, no more. Yeah, let's go. Come on, let's just go there. See if you see her. Come out. Come on, lady. Oh, shit. Damn.
Be careful, bro.
Oh, man, I almost fell, guys.
Be careful, bro. That's dangerous, bro. Watch your
My God, I could have broke a leg.
Watch out right here. Watch out right here.
Yeah.
You could have
See?
broke your leg, dude.
Yeah. Holy moly, bro.
Watch out, bro.
Last chance.
Oh, now you made him mad since he fell.
Come out, come out. Come out and play. Ah. I feel like you're scared. You're scared of us? We're two regular guys just filming.
Right. We're just here.
If you don't know what is this in my hand, it's a camera. It's something that, how can I explain it?
It records.
It shows people's images and in the screen, and it plays whatever you see, like how you see in everything. It's kind of like that. It goes into some device, like a TV. That's what we call it.
I'm pretty sure she knows what it's
Well, you don't know how old people here, like Barry here, bro. They could be from 1800.
They still had old school.
No, they didn't have no old school TVs though. So don't be scared of this. This is nothing. It's so we can show the world whatever we see, they'll see it. Everybody.
You know what's funny?
What?
When you turn this way, there was breathing this way. Right here where I'm standing, right in front of me. Like somebody blew air.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, guys.
But I seen it.
Our car is right there. We're just gonna finish this video.
You know, she didn't appear. You know, I feel sad for myself, but
Yeah, guys.
it was a pretty big.
I
cemetery.
mean, yeah, it's a big cemetery. We heard like a couple noises and the freaking creepy ass bird.
Whatever that thing is, I don't know what.
And then I almost tripped.
Someone
now.
broke his leg here.
But it was a good video, guys. So don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and leave your comments. If you see anything, you know, just put a timestamp in there, and then I'll go look through it and see what we see. Because sometimes we do miss things, you know. And remember, share, subscribe. It's very important because it helps us a lot. Okay, and we'll see you until our next video. All right, bye.
Bye.